we are organizing a 2 days training of youth peer health groups from the regions of CRR, URR and LRR. The activity is funded by UNICEF through the Never Again FGMC and Child Marriage in My Generation campaign.
This training of adolescents is very important in the sense that there is this common saying that it's easier to fix broken young than broken adults.
Why we're targeting young people, as the concept says, is ending it in a generation. They are, of course, very soon going to be parents and they'll have their children, and we hope getting them the right information and knowledge, they certainly will be able to prevent the practice in the long run.
So it is important to train young people, like when we go back to our community, to sensitize our parents on the effect of FGM and early marriage.
We have gathered here 48 young people from these two regions, basically inviting 2 peer health groups per region for the 2 days training to provide them the needed information, of course, knowledge, to be able to go out there and share this information with their peers in their communities, of course, the elders or opinion leaders in their various communities.
I have attended a lot of trainings, but a training like this one is one of its kind. It's the best training I have ever attended in my life.
They train us on child marriage, FGMs, sexual reproductive health, and drama, acting, and also communication skills.
We know sports has the potential to bring together lots of young people, and that is what has happened. We are organizing a 2 days tournament, bringing together female teams from LRR as a region.
We deem it fitting to use football as a means of disseminating information to end FGM in my generation, including child marriage, gender-based violence.
We've been able to send the message across using the jerseys that we have provided for the various teams, using banners and posters. But of course, again, during the opening of the game, we were able to have a short presentation on ending FGMC and child marriage in our generation.
I think their message is quite clear. Anybody who sees this, you will know what they are trying to say, like the Never Again. It is banned in the Gambia, and stop child marriage, stop FGM. So the message is quite clear. Anybody, even a layman, would understand what UNICEF and the NYC is trying to sell to the world.
We are using different avenues to be able to target young people. The training is for 48, but with the football match, we've been able to reach more than 1,000 young people yesterday at the football field. And of course, today we'll be doing the same thing. So we are able to reach a larger number using sports as a vehicle to be able to drive home the message of ending FGMC and child marriage in our generation. Apart from that, we also had night film shows in Genoy and of course in Jara Soma, 2 days night film shows. Again, being able to target some different other people. That those that we are not able to get at the training or at the football field, we are able to get them during the night film show. A lot of people came out during the night film shows. We presented documentaries or movies on FGMC and child marriage and of course its harmful effects. But again, we are able to allow a discussion, having the necessary experts on the ground to be able to discuss with those that were present, what the documentaries were all about, and of course allow people to ask questions and provide feedback on the dangers of some of the practices. So that is basically what we have done in Jarasoma, using different means to be able to reach out and drive home the message of ending FGMC and child marriage in our generation.
This training will help us young people to decide that our children will not go through FGM and child marriage.
I, as a peer health educator, I will try by all means, when I get back to my region, URR, with my team, we try by all means, we share this message. We try by all means, we share whatever we have learned here, so that we can bring a 100% stop to FGMC in URR.
We are thanking National Youth Council, NYC, and their partners for implementing this kind of training of young people and for us to benefit through it.